Hey y'all, Crazy Pop here. Today, boy, we have something good. Even the kids are looking forward to this one. We are making a sweet teriyaki chicken rice bowls right here on the Blackstone Griddle. That's right. It's going to be awesome. Man, I love that sweet teriyaki sauce that the Blackstone puts out, and it's on that chicken. Then you mix it with some other vegetables. Man, it's going to be awesome. We'll show you some ingredients and some groceries here in just a minute. But please, if you're new here, consider subscribing. We'd love to have you with us here at the Crazy Acres. Join us for all the fun. Man, we have a blast here. Ain't no telling who's going to show up sometimes either. You can't never tell. But if you've been here, hey, thank you so much for the support. We are growing. And just the love and support and that you are showing us. We really, really do appreciate that from the heart. Thank you. With all that being said, we got to fire this thing up, show you some groceries. Oh, wait a minute. Before we do, if you're looking for a certain recipe that we might have done in the past, look down there in the description. There's a recipe playlist down there, along with our Facebook, our Pinterest, our Twitter, our Instagram. We got an email. We got a P.O. box. We got all kind of ways to get in touch with us. So if you don't see what you're looking for down there, hit us up in the comments, shoot us an email. There's all kind of ways to get a hold to us, and let us know what you'd like to see us make. We are keeping a list of it. We try to get around as much as we can to it. And hey, who knows? May see it one day. And if we do, we'll call you out and let you know. Appreciate it. So anyhow, with all that being said, let's show you these groceries and let's get this thing fired up and let's get to cooking. All righty then, let's fire this thing up. Now, believe it or not, now normally I don't fire up all burners, but today, we are going all 4 burners, y'all. We're gonna turn these down to about a medium low, kind of halfway in between each one. Get this thing going. Y'all check out these groceries. Now, of course, you can't make sweet teriyaki chicken without some chicken. The kind of chicken you see here is some skinless, boneless chicken thighs. The thigh meat is really, really good to use in a lot of recipes. So that's what we're using today. We have some bell peppers here. We have some onion. We have some green onion here that we chopped up. Of course, for a rice bowl, you have to have rice, so we have rice. And we have some broccoli cuts. Now, seasoning, we have some soy sauce that I'm going to kind of season the vegetables with. There's our sweet teriyaki that we're going to be using. That's some really good stuff, y'all. Got some salt and some pepper back here, and we got some sesame seeds we're going to kind of just top it all off with. And that's it, y'all. It's going to be a simple, kind of fast cook. Speaking of cooking, let's go check on the griddle. Man, this griddle is smoking. You know what that means? Time to get some groceries on the griddle. Let's put some chicken on here. Put down some oil. Now, believe it or not, y'all, we are just on a medium low right now. Oh, yeah. She's sizzling, baby. Putting a good sear. Put a little pepper down here, y'all. Some salt. Get a good mix. What we're going to do is just kind of move this over here. Just let it cook. Now, while that chicken's going, we're going to throw the vegetables on here, get them going. So this really won't take long at all. But I think I'm going to turn this side down to low to cook these vegetables. So let's turn this one burner all the way over here to the right, down to low. Let's get some vegetables on here. Get some onion. Get some pepper. We get the broccoli all together, y'all. One big pile. One big pile. Mix it all up. Remember that soy sauce you seen? We're going to add it to the vegetables. Add a good amount to it, y'all. There we go. Man, that smells amazing. Now, this chicken's cooking pretty quick, so let's give it a good stir. Come back here and start our vegetables up, get it good. I don't know about y'all, this is a really, really pretty griddle right now. Y'all check this out. All right, y'all, these vegetables are cooking up just right. And that chicken's starting to get a little sear on it. So what we did is went ahead and turned both these burners now on this side down to low. These two over here are still like on a medium low and looking pretty good. Now what I've done is kind of moved the vegetables over a little bit to the cooler, I guess you say, side of the griddle, because they're pretty much softened up and just about where we want them. Once we get this chicken seared up and got a good little sear on them and done, we'll be ready to make us some rice bowls. Chicken started getting a nice sear on it, y'all. Y'all look at that. That is so pretty. Y'all, vegetables are done. Chicken's done. Almost. Chicken's done cooking, but now we gotta throw that sweet teriyaki sauce on there and kind of let it sit on there and kind of get ooey gooey good on there. And then we're gonna mix it all together and we're gonna put this over some rice and it's gonna be good. Oh yeah, buddy. That smells absolutely amazing on this griddle. Now from here, I'm gonna go ahead and cut all burners down to low. All bets are off, everything's going to low. Let's mix our vegetables with our chicken. Let's get them all together, introduce each other, make them friends. Might have used more vegetables than I need, but that'd be okay. Be just fine. Oh man. Y'all want to see something good? Check this out. Y'all just look at that. Man, that looks beautiful. All right, everybody, it's done. But now here's a perfect chance to tell you something. You know, if you're trying to be keto, you know, watch your carbs or whatever, that's fine. You could take this right here and not add on the rice. You put it in the bowl by itself and you'll have a fantastic meal, I promise you. But I need to be on keto or something, but I'm gonna put over some rice. So what we gotta do now, we gotta take this up, put it in a bowl, get all this built together and try it out. So let's slide this over here. Let's go ahead and turn off all our burners. Let's put it in the bowl. Ooh boy. Y'all, I like this. It's beautiful. That is beautiful. That, I mean, that's a meal by itself. Like I said, if you want to be keto, that's the way to go right there. But we got to put this over some rice. All this good stuff right here is done. Rice we have already. Now we pre-boiled the rice. So what we're going to do is go ahead and just put some in a bowl over here. Put as much rice in each bowl as you want, however you like it. You can go ahead and mix it in that if you want to, but this is just how we're gonna build our rice bowls. Right or wrong or indifferent, this is the way we're gonna do ours. And then from here, I think I'll add a little more rice in that one. And then from here, y'all, I'm gonna add some of our this good stuff back here, y'all. Check it out. Yeah, buddy. Put some more on this one here. Like so. We'll take me a little sesame seeds. Put on. Make them nice and pretty. Put a few little green onions here and there. And y'all, I think we're ready to eat. What do y'all think of those? Huh? Let's take a close look at these. Look at these beautiful sweet teriyaki chicken rice bowls we done made. Oh yeah, these are looking good. We gotta dig into these, y'all. They're just too good to just sit here and look at. We gotta try them. If you want to, you can pour a little more sauce on there. You know, you can post sauce it if you will, but I didn't. But you can. Like I said, if you want to go keto, leave the rice off, and you got a beautiful bowl of that chicken and the vegetables and all that. But anyhow, with all that being said, we got to try this out. So, without further ado, here's to you. Yeah, that's it.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, that is good.
This is awesome.
Man, I don't quit eating. Y'all gotta try this out. Now, you can fry the rice if you want to. But it's, you know, just a plain rice bowl, what we did here. I really don't think it needs anything else. I mean, let me know in the comments down below what you might do different. You know, you can put like a sesame oil or whatever in there. I think it's turned out really good. You know, soy sauce inside them vegetables and just that teriyaki on the chicken turned out really good, and he's liking it. So with all that being said, if you're new here, please subscribe. If you've been here, thank you for the love, and we got stuff to eat.